Hey everybody, it's Cheryl again. Welcome back to my channel. I got a special request today because somebody saw on my Facebook, I guess it was, that we have a snowstorm incoming. So he wanted me to do maybe a little walkabout, and I'm not gonna do too much, but we're gonna take a boo and see what's going on because we got 2 feet of snow coming in one day. So let's just go take a quick trek around and see what it looks like up here in Canada right now. I believe it's about minus 20, maybe minus 17. I don't know. Well, we'll see how it is. All right, ready to join me? Let's go. Yeah, here we go. So. Yeah. I got people around the world who want to see what's going on. They're like, it's snowing? It's 20 degrees and it's really sunny in Australia. Well, guess what? It's not here. We have 2 feet of snow.
Switch them if they want to pay for a ticket.
You want to switch? Yeah, they want to switch? They can come. Yeah, they can come and shovel the snow? Okay.
Only pay half the ticket if they want to shovel the snow.
Oh, okay. All right. Got it. Yep. So we got it. Like, look at this stuff coming down. And this is going to be going all the way until tomorrow evening, I believe it says. So yeah. I mean, look at this. Craziness. Well, and you see, I'm not going to be going too far to tell you the truth, because you can see, you can only see down that far going that way. Whew. And you can see, people will think I'm trying to jump out in front of traffic, so I got to be careful that way. But you can see, you can only see 2 streets up. You see the lights over there. So yeah, this is a snowstorm in Prince George, BC, Canada. And it's beautiful though, you know. Thing was it was minus 27 yesterday. And it was really cold, brutally cold actually. And now it's probably warmed up about 10 degrees. All this snow coming down. It's actually pretty tolerable. I'd say it's about minus 15. Now, for the people in India, minus 15, oh my God, right? People in Australia, oh my God, could you believe it? But no, this is pretty mild. You know, there'll be kids out playing in the snow. They'll be enjoying life. So yeah, I mean, this is walking in a winter wonderland, to say the least. But it's beautiful. Yes, I am. Oh, and I think I zoomed in accidentally, but usually I do. And I'm starting to feel a little cold. Whew. Yeah, I zoomed in accidentally, I think. Somehow, I'll just get a little bit more. You see? And the thing about this is that I love it. You know, this is beauty. This is when it comes at 3 o'clock in the morning tonight. This whole city is going to be clouded, covered. It's going to be snowing, and it's going to be silent, and it's going to be muffled in snow, and all you're going to hear is the creaking and the crunching, and it's just going to be a bliss of just like unbroken snow and orange lights reflecting off the snow because of the lights, and it's just going to be beautiful. It's going to be phenomenal, and some of us get the chance to enjoy it, some of us don't. Some of us may be having really shitty days, some of us may not, you know. But to me, this is beautiful. And thank you, Sod, for giving me the idea to just get my butt outside for 5 minutes just to share this with the world today. So thank you. You know I love you. And, well, I love you. Wherever you are, whoever you are, I hope this brightens up your day and you kind of laugh and say, what the heck is that crazy girl doing out there running around in the snow? I would be under my bed, under my blankets. But no, I love life, I love God, I love you. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. And take that with you. And hopefully you have a good rest of the week too. All right. Love you so much. Bye. Mwah. Hey, checking in again actually. So I was thinking, I took that footage earlier at about 4 o'clock. Yeah, 4 o'clock. And it's about 9:15 now. So I thought, let's just see how much snow fell between then. Oops. See how much snow fell between then and now. Because it's a lot. And it's not finished yet, so this should be fun. Just go do a little quick update. I'm not gonna stay out too long because it's nighttime, but you'll see in a minute. All right. Just gonna flip the camera around. Okay, so here we are outside. Now it's like 9 o'clock. So let's just go take a boo and see how much higher the snow has fallen. Alright, so I mean, yeah, this was not here 5 hours ago. There was that truck that was there. Or no, sorry, SUV. That has since been replaced with this much snow, about the size of a, what, 6, 7 of those little SUVs that were there before. You probably could tell, you can get an idea, compare, oh yeah, and here, look down here, see how far up my boots are. Oh my goodness. Like this, and this has already been plowed once. This has been plowed, and this is like between 4 o'clock. So 5 hours, and this has been plowed once, cleared, and all that snow got pushed over there already. I mean, they definitely put out a warning for a reason. Whew. It's hard even just getting down the road. At least it's nice and mild. You can see here, you can hear my, oh, I'm gonna flip around, I think. Hopefully I didn't zoom in too much. Did I? No? Okay. Anyways, yeah, so you can hear that creaking and crunching. That's what it sounds like walking snow, because I'm on top of, I don't know, probably at least 2 inches of just driven snow. I mean, look at this. And it's still falling. It's finer than it was before, earlier. But we are, yeah. And something like this, you say it was to fall in like Vancouver or Toronto or something like that, the whole damn city would just shut down. All the PG Transit, Vancouver Transit, Toronto Transit, SkyTrains, everything would just be done. Everybody like, well, nope, nobody's going to school. But you see, I mean, we just like, this is what we do, you know? Everybody just like keep on going, trucking through it. And it's gotta be like, I don't know, minus 13. And I'm like fine in a hoodie and a fleecy. I don't have gloves on, minus 13. And I bet there's a bunch of you be like, what are you doing? Get back inside, you're gonna get frostbite. No, frostbite comes at like minus 25. So I'm good, I'm okay. I'll be fine out here for like 15, 20 minutes, no problem. And there's everybody's favorite 7-Eleven over there. This awesome area of town. I don't know how many dead people showed up there. But yeah. Hence why I'm not gonna go also take a big walkabout. This is a bad area of town. But I do find this interesting and I do find it beautiful. I don't know, I might post this video before 3 a.m. I think. But I know I did want to show how quiet and serene the entire city. But I mean, I guess if you're interested enough, you could compare what I was, the sound level of what was when I came out earlier and the way that cars sound going by, and now the sound. Like, snow has this amazing ability to just sort of like envelop the entire city of sound, and it's muffled. And everything, like the sound comes back down to like, sorry, I'm gonna tilt you, get ready to get dizzy. But like up here, right? See, it's pitch dark. It's nighttime right now. But it's light for us because the clouds are reflecting all the streetlights and the snow and the snowflakes, and everything comes back down, and so it creates this orange, it's like Northern Lights, but it's not Northern Lights, it's people lights from all our electricity. And because we have an orange undertone to all of our lights, like you can see here, well, I mean, that's pretty obvious, A&W. But I mean, you can see if you look around, all of it's orange. So at 3 in the morning, whew, and if it's still snowing, the city is quiet. The whole sky will be just this orange and it's quiet. And all you'll hear is just people driving and crunching down the snow, or people walking and crunching down the snow. And it's a really, I don't know, it's an experience that probably a lot of people take for granted, you know, like, I mean, so yeah, like, I mean, I think a lot of people probably up here, we take it for granted. We forget to see the beauty. There's a lot of people that don't, you know, there's a lot of people like me that are photographers out there and stuff and do see it. But, you know, there's, you know, I hope, you know, if somebody from India is watching this and it's just like, my God, is that what Canada is really like? Yes, this is what Canada is really like in the winter. We do have warm summers, but I'd love it, you know, like if somebody from Australia saw this video and thought, just wow, like, it's like, I know I forget what time it is there right now, but I know you guys are like 30 degrees and sunny, right? And it's I love the world. The world is an amazing place, and I can be here and we're just getting covered in snow, and in other places of the world it's just like desert, and there's other people doing it as daytime, you know, but we're all connected and we're all online, and we can all post videos and share and spread love. And even if we've been having a shitty day, and even if we've had, like, you know, everything's gone wrong, sometimes you can still just take a minute just to find beauty, you know. Just, to me, this is beautiful. My fingers are getting a little cold, sadly, but I can find beauty. And I have been dealing with a lot in my life, but I just, you know, if you got this far along in the video, thank you for watching. I really hope you'd subscribe, because I do want to continue doing things like this. And I hope that maybe I brought a smile to your face, and maybe you're scratching your head thinking, I think I mentioned earlier about what's this girl doing, crazy girl. But yeah, I mean, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to do Shella Bella's virtual sightseeing tours, and I wanted to take people all around BC and show everybody about how beautiful this world can be, and how it's, you know, everybody's got a story. Everybody's got stuff that they deal with. Everything is, you know, everybody's got a story. Everybody's got something bad, and it's not a competition, you know, and we're all trying to live. We're all trying to just get through our lives. And, you know, I just think you got your story. Don't be mad at everybody else because you got your story, because you've been hurt, because you've been damaged. Don't go spreading that anger onto everybody else. Bring your goodness, bring your positivity. And, you know, you don't know my story. I don't know your story, but I'm saying hello and hi. And you know what? take a break, take a smile, give a hug, remember to love, call somebody you love. I don't, even just, who knows, maybe you haven't talked to a friend in a long time. All it would make, it would make my day if you just like went and found them on your messenger or whatever, or text message, and just send them a smiley face with a little heart. You know what? And I bet you that would pick them up, and it would pick you up, and it would make everybody feel better. And it's just one little drop of goodness that may have been the shittiest day in your life, but you chose to make that decision to just try and just make one little moment happy for you and for somebody else. If everybody could just do that every day, I mean, I'm an idealist, I know, right? But that's what I think. So, anyways, from Prince George, I am Cheryl, and I guess until my next YouTube video, and hopefully my fingers don't fall off because I am getting cold. Okay, so, mwah, bye, love y'all.